Question number 62 has a substitution that is an irregular sum, but this question was given in an exam once or twice. I actually remember it only once. So although it's not a regular sum, if the sum is irregular, this might be given. So this is important in that aspect. So substitution, we have to substitute the limit when x equals to 0, then u equals to 2 to the power 0, which is 1. When x equals to 1, the upper limit of the Cartesian integral, then u equals to 2 to the power 1, which is 2. So we have the limits. Now the derivative. We know u equals to 2 to the power x. This might not be a common derivative, but it comes in handy to remember this. D by dx of a to the power x is a to the power x into ln a. This comes in handy. Although this formula is not given in the formula booklet, but we know this thing, d by dx of e to the power x is the same thing into d by dx of the chain rule, which is x. In the formula booklet, they had given us e to the power x ln a is a to the power x, this particular expression. So from that we can actually figure out this integral. So we can write d by dx of e to the power x ln a, which is the same thing as a to the power x. So we can write e to the power x ln a, same derivative, into d by dx of the chain rule. This would be ln a. So we know e to the power ln, if the x comes to the power a to the power x ln a, and we know e to the power ln anything is that thing, so this is a to the power x ln a. So by this thing, this can be derived but not needed at all. Just if you remember this, you can do this irregular sum. D by dx of a to the power x is a to the power x ln a. That's enough for doing this sum. So if we do the derivative of this, du by dx, so a to the power x, 2 to the power x is going to be 2 to the power x, and ln a means ln2. So this would be the derivative. So dx is going to be du divided by ln2 would be 2 to the power x dx. That's the substitution. So this is equals to, we can substitute now, hence the limit 0 is going to be 1 and upper limit is going to be 2. So upstairs we have 2x into dx. Remember, this is upstairs multiplied. So 2x dx is du ln2. So we have du divided by ln2 upstairs, and downstairs we have 2 to the power x plus 1. That means u plus 1. So if I bring the constant 1 by ln2 outside, it would be 1 by ln2, and this would be 1 by 2 du by u plus 1. So du by u plus 1 is the same as 1 by u plus 1 into du, same thing. So 1 by ln2, we know the rule of reciprocal integral. It is going to be ln of u plus 1 divided by chain rule is 1, and the limit is 1 to 2. So this is going to be 1 by ln2. If you put the limit, it would be ln 2 plus 1 is 3 minus ln 1 plus 1 is 2. So this would be 1 by ln2 into ln 3 by 2. That's it. That's the integral.